Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to be working in my everyday planner. I've pulled some washi from Simply Gilded, and I have the Good Vibes kit here from Let's Get Planned and some leftover stickers from a previous kit. My everyday planner is a B6 Stalogy in a B6 notebook cover by Moterm. And I'm jumping straight into the week of April 24th through April 30th, 2023. My plan for this layout is to do a freeform layout. So I'm using the florals from this kit from Let's Get Planned to frame the page. Normally I use washi tape to do a header and footer, but I'm slowly moving away from using washi tape as much. So these florals are working out perfectly. For this, I had this watercolor swatch piece that I wanted to use and intended to use, but I just couldn't find a place for it, so I put it back on the sheet. I placed the doll in the corner. She helps balance out the florals. My initial idea was to use the washi tape as swatches behind the days of the week, but because there are watercolor swatches and other florals as part of the kit, then I can use those for my days of the week backgrounds or accents. So I'm just staggering the days, placing them wherever I feel like they look best. Since I don't have a lot going on for the week, I don't need a lot of room. And so I'm able to stagger the days. And if it turns out that I need more room because this is a notebook and I haven't planned ahead or added pages ahead, I have all of my unused pages in the book that I can use if I need to quickly do a daily or jot something down. So that's one of the good things about using a notebook and creating your spreads or doing bullet journaling. You always have room ahead if you need it. So I'm just using some of the smaller florals as a base accent for the day of the week. Since this is a lighter, more pastel layout, those accents behind the day of the week help. It also helps me use up my sticker sheet. And that's kind of the goal, to use as many of the stickers as I can. Now here I kind of rethought this after I did it, where I put I think it's Saturday next to Wednesday. I didn't really like those two being next to each other like that. So if I ever do this again, I have to make sure that I don't have my days of the week next to each other in the center of the page like that. Other than that, I think this is turning out great. And there I'm adding the little text that says passion. So I was considering using the dates from Dates and Holidays by the Happy Planner, but I don't have 24. I mean, I have a 24, but I think I only have one 24 left. So I'm trying to make sure I use as many of the numbers as I can. So I'm jumping over to CHELA Plan, Dated Basics. I'm testing out this tan color. I'm not sure that it works well, but once I put that first sticker down, I wasn't sure about it and I tried to pull it up and I couldn't pull it up. So I decided, well, I have to go with the tan color now. So that's what we did. And I do kind of like the way that the numbers do stand out. Since the day of the week script is fairly light, the numbers standing out a little bit more make it easier to recognize where the days are. And these are the leftover bits from another kit that I'm using to add some more floral elements to the page. Also adding a few butterflies, and I will add the birds as well. So back to the Good Vibes kit. I'm going to use these 3 boxes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during the week. No particular reason. I just had 3 boxes, so I thought it would be nice to spread them out like that. Here I'm going to add some of the standard weekly tasks. I'm using the older stickers that I have from Piper Paper Company. So I have clean the house, laundry day, plan next week, and payday. And I chose the lighter script task stickers because they went well with the script from the kit. I'm also using a few icon stickers by Piper Paper Company. So we have check post office box on Friday. I had a little piece left over from where I cut a sticker that said run errands. I added that to Saturday. And then I have the trash cans that I'm adding on Thursday. And I have these colorful little icons. So I added the pink cash to payday, and I'm adding the sleeping mask to Saturday. And here I'm taking one of the journals or planners and adding it next to plan next week. And that's it for this spread. This was really quick and simple. Have you ever tried doing a freeform layout like this? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.